Hi guys, it's Shrikant again from Happy Belly Fish and welcome to our studio. Today we are going to make something with this beautiful cauliflower. You can gift it to someone or you can make something beautiful out of it. It's Gobi Manchurian, the dish that we are going to make today. This dish is actually a very famous street food in India. Today it has found its place in many restaurants and it's one of the best fusion food available in India. Although the way it's cooked most of the time in restaurants or on the street, it's deep fried. So we are going to make a healthier version of this, and trust me, it's a great party snack. So let's see how we start cooking this thing. So for this dish, you will need cauliflower, carrots, tomato, red onion, garlic, some bell pepper, ginger. And then coming to spices, you need curcuma, paprika or chili powder, some soya and some vinegar, and that's it. We need some cooking oil. I've used olive oil and some salt to taste. So we will coat the cauliflower with batter, and this batter is made with cornstarch and some whole wheat flour. So let's start cooking. So we will now start with cutting the cauliflowers into florets. Okay, let's take out the green part that we don't need at all. And now you can just take the florets out of the cauliflower. Don't worry about the size at this point. And then we will break them into something like this. We have our cauliflowers washed. Okay, we are going to put them in the boiling water and cook it for about 5 to 8 minutes. By the time it cooks, we'll chop the vegetables. Let's start with the carrots. I wish I had a friend who could help me with that. We'll cut the bell peppers this way.
Baby, you forgot something.
Oops. This is the most important thing. Such a flavor enhancer. Take the stem off and we'll leave it like this so it can add the flavor. And then come the tomatoes. Take the eyes out, make them blind so that they don't know what they are going to go through. Cooks can be such cruel people. So we are now going to cut these tomatoes into chunks. And now the onions. We are going to add some ginger and garlic. 4 to 5 cloves of garlic and about equal quantity of ginger. Peel them and chop them into chunks. So now you can see that our cauliflowers are cooked, it's steaming, and we are going to add the batter to it. So we'll add 1 spoon of oil, about 2 teaspoons of whole wheat flour. This just kind of gives it some chewiness. And then we'll add some cornstarch, about 4 teaspoons. Maybe a little more. I think 4 was too little. About 3 more. We'll add some curcuma. I've added about 1 teaspoon and about 1 teaspoon of paprika or red chili powder. We'll add some very little water and mix it well. Don't forget salt. So, after all this work, we have our cauliflower boiled and battered, our tomatoes chopped, and all the other vegetables chopped. So let's start cooking now. So now we are going to cover the pan with a little bit of oil, not too much. Keep the pan in medium heat. And start adding the cauliflower. Spread it well and cover it with a lid. So we'll just give it a nice stir. Make sure you turn it from time to time. We'll cook this until the batter has kind of become a little chewy, or it starts to look like cooked. It takes about 5 to 6 minutes. And so the cauliflower is cooked. We're going to take it out. So we'll add now some 2 teaspoons of oil and cook the vegetables. We'll start with ginger and garlic. So we'll add the remaining vegetables. And give it a nice mix. You can see how beautiful the colors are. So we'll let it cook for some time. So vegetables are halfway through. We are going to add the tomato now. Fresh tomatoes are always much better than tomato paste. And we'll let the tomato soften. I'm going to add some salt now, about half a teaspoon. Give it a good mix, and we'll add the cauliflower. And now I'm going to add some white vinegar. I'm adding about 6 to 7 teaspoons, and some soya sauce, about 9 teaspoons. And then give it a nice mix and stir fry it for about 2 to 3 minutes. Okay, so it looks completely ready to eat, and I bet Anastasia can smell it, and she'll be here any moment now. But before she comes, let me serve it very nicely. Oops, I knew you would come. Hungry?
When I smell this thing, I'm super hungry.
Oh.
I've been smelling it for the last 20 minutes.
We give up.
Eat better, it's good. Gobi Manchurian. The best food of all times. Paprika?
Crunchy.
I can't talk, sorry. Onion. Carrot. The main part. Okay, you can also try. Not bad, no?
And quite simple.
Enjoy!